Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to export part of video in CapCut. To export a specific part of a video in CapCut PZ, follow these steps. Step 1. Import the video. Open your CapCut PZ and click on Import in the Media panel to add the video file you want to edit. Choose a picture or video. Then drag the video from the media panel to the timeline at the bottom. Step 2. Locate the part to export. Play the video or drag the playhead along the timeline to find the starting point of the section you want to export. Use the zoom slider on the timeline to zoom in for better precision. Step 3. Trim the video. Place the playhead at the starting point of the part you want to export. Click the split tool to cut the video at the point. Move the playhead to the ending point of the part you want to export. And again, click the split tool and select the unwanted sections before and after the part you want to keep. And press delete on your keyboard or right click and tap on delete. Step 4. Review and adjust. Play the remaining clip to ensure you have the exact part you want to export. If necessary, make further adjustments like trimming the edges or adding effects. If you're happy to your work, click the export button at the top right of the interface. In the export settings, type your video name and choose the desired resolution, frame rate, and format, and set the export location. Then click export to save the video. And last, check your exported file. Once the export is complete, navigate to the save location and play the exported file to confirm it contains only the desired section. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.